My name's John Ewing and I'm from inframes.com, and I want to tell you about duplicating a page in Concrete5. Once you start getting the hang of Concrete5, one of the first things you're going to want to do is add a new page. And the most obvious way to do that is by clicking on the Add Page icon. Let's see what happens when you do that. The first thing is you see a list of page templates which you'll recognize from the site that you've already got. So we're just going to choose one, and then you'll be given a number of options of things like the name, obviously, and the meta description, and these are all things that you can choose later on. And then it's just a matter of once again clicking on the Add Page button, and Concrete will go away for a moment and create a page template for you, which is pretty much empty, and you can then start filling it in. So you can then add a block just as you would normally. Okay, so that's all very well, and nothing wrong with doing add a page that way. But there is another way. So now we go to the dashboard, and we're going to click on the sitemap button, and this brings up all the pages on the site, and I'm going to click on one of these as if I were going to move it, as I move it around, if I zoom in a little, you'll see a grey band, a thick light grey band forming as I pass it over the top of one of the other existing pages. If I let go at this point of the mouse left button, Concrete is going to ask me if I want to make a copy of this page. So at this point I'm going to check copy, and I'm going to hit go. Now when I look back at the sitemap, I've got another version of the same page, so I can click on that and I select properties. Now obviously it's not much use to me it being exactly the same, so I'm just going to change the name here, and I'm going to change the path. I can change any of the custom attributes like the meta description and so on, and then finally, just as always, just click the save button. Now when I go back to my sitemap, I can go and visit that page, and it looks exactly like the other page, of course. So instead of then having to add new blocks, I've got a much more recognizable template for things that I can just simply change. So instead of adding new content, all I need to do is update the content that's there. So I'm changing the title of this to test, and then I'll simply click update. Then of course I'm going to need to exit edit mode, I'll call my comment test, and finally click publish my edits. And there we have a new looking page based on an existing one, a duplicate if you will.